वेलकम टू एनपी क्लासेस। आशा करता हूँ आप सब बहुत अच्छे होंगे। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट जनरल फार्माकोलॉजी which forms the basic foundation to understand various concepts of pharmacology. Let us understand what is pharmacology. Pharmacology word has been derived from two Greek words. One is pharmakon, which means drug, and another Greek word is logia, which means study of. That means we can simply say that pharmacology is the study of drug, but as a definition, pharmacology it is the study of drugs which interact with components of a living system to attenuate or inhibit various pharmacological. Let us understand what is drug. A drug is a chemical with a known structure that alters the pathophysiology for therapeutic system. Okay, let us figure out some words. One is chemical, another one is pathophysiology, and the third one is therapeutic system. Okay, let us take an example. Enalapril. We know that is the ACE inhibitor, and that is the chemical we have taken. Okay, after that we took the pathophysiology. We took RAS, renin, angiotensinogen aldosterone system. Okay, after that therapeutic system. Okay, what is that? What is the result of this enalapril drug and the effect of enalapril over the RAS system? That is decrease in blood pressure. Drug sources. First is chemical, that is further classified into natural and natural is further classified into plants, animals and microorganisms. The examples are morphine, digoxin, quinine and reserpine. And the examples of drug obtained from animals, that is insulin, very popular, and the microorganism, the drug obtained from microorganism is very famous, antibiotics. Okay. And what are the semi-synthetic chemicals? We take some natural chemicals and make some chemical alteration to the natural chemicals. Those are the semi-synthetic chemicals. Okay. And what are the examples? No, morphine. And this is the natural chemical. And we just do acetylation, and after that we will get diacetyl morphine, which is semi-synthetic in nature. After that, synthetic chemicals, and these are the chemicals that does not exist in the world, and we design a chemical in de novo synthesis. As I have told, synthetic chemicals are the drug which are synthesized in de novo synthesis, and those chemicals doesn't exist in the world. The process by which the synthetic chemicals are produced is known as rational drug designing. Rational drug designing. We know that drugs are the chemicals bind to the target and give us the therapeutic effect. We design a drug in rational drug designing. We design a drug based upon the structure of target, based upon the structure of the target. As of now, today, the synthetic chemicals are the most common source of drug.